bright and sunny day. Well, that's the feeling that I get when I tell a kid they can't play. Your butterflies, my poison spiders, your rainbows, my haze. You're a technicolor dream and I'm a nightmare of black and gray. It feels so, so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't want to go back. And I got all this generosity, it keeps on flowing out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit mad.
I don't know what's so great about spreading suffering and hate, but I know there is no debate on the smiles you could help to make.
Like a clown, no one will know. Don't get it twisted, nothing's missing. I like the frowns. I like thunder, I like lightning, I like evil, I like frightening, I like chaos and confusion, and I'm a master of abusing everyone around. If you want to know the truth is that I found that it feels so, so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't want to go back. And I got all this generosity, it keeps on folding out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit bad on a Tuesday, bad on your birthday, bad 'cause it's my way to go. I don't care. Life's not fair, and I want you to know that it was so, so good to be just a little bit mad. And I don't know why, but I don't want to go back. And I got all this generosity, it keeps on pulling out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little